I love coming to the park. I love coming park. The weather is so nice today. The weather is so nice today. I walk here every morning. I walk here every morning. There are many trees in this park. There are many trees in this park. I sit on the bench and relax. I sit on the bench and relax. The children are playing over there. The children are playing over there. I bring my water bottle with me. The birds are singing. The birds are singing in the trees. I like to feed the ducks. I like to feed the ducks. The lake looks beautiful today. The lake looks beautiful today. I jog around the park every day. I jog around the park every day. My dog loves running in the park. My dog loves running in the park. I stretch before I start walking. I stretch before I start walking. There is a playground near the entrance. There is a playground near the entrance. I meet my friend at the park gate. I meet my friend at the park gate. We walk together and talk. We walk together and talk. I take photos of the flowers. I take photos of the flowers. The flowers are so colorful today. The flowers are so colorful today. I buy a snack from the food cart. I buy a snack from the food cart. I sit under a big tree for shade. I sit under a big tree for shade. A butterfly lands on the flower. A butterfly lands on the flower. I read my book on the park bench. I read my book on the park bench. The sky is clear and blue today. The sky is clear and blue today. Some people are having a picnic. Some people are having a picnic. I pick up my trash before I leave. I'm making the world a cleaner place. The park closes at 9 o'clock. The park closes at 9 o'clock. I feel happy when I am outside. I feel happy when I am outside. I wave hello to my neighbor. I wave hello to my neighbor. I cool down after my walk. I cool down after my walk. I will come back to the park tomorrow. I will come back to the park tomorrow.